A triumph in the High Court for Dr. Ernest Hilaire has seen the leader of the opposition, Allen Chastnet, resurface in the St. Lucia public spotlight following his absence from Parliament in the past few months. On Tuesday morning, the United Workers' Party leader held a press conference to discuss what he called the truth about the court case against the Comptroller of Customs. A High Court judge dismissed his application for leave for judicial review of the court-mediated decision that saw the Customs Comptroller drop all charges in the Land Rover case against Dr. Ernest Hilaire.
This decision in no way exonerates Ernest Hilaire of the allegations made against him. My legal advisors and I are currently reviewing the court's decision with the intention of appealing the decision. It is my strong belief that this is a matter of public interest, and the Comptroller of Customs owes the public of St. Lucia an explanation of his unilateral decision to withdraw the case. The person involved is a senior politician with a lot of influence within this administration, and we must all be satisfied that he was not treated differently from any ordinary citizen.
Chastanet accused the Customs Comptroller of not upholding transparency where the case was concerned. According to Chastanet, the High Court dismissal has not blunted his aim to bring the truth to the public.
The purpose of the judicial review is to hold the Comptroller of Customs accountable to the people and to explain why he chose not to consult the Attorney General, the Director of Public Prosecutions, the Director of Finance, or the former Comptroller of Customs before deciding to withdraw the case. The United Workers' Party will continue to pursue this matter until all legal means have been exhausted. We believe it is critical that all public officers are held accountable to their pledge to uphold the laws of the country and protect the best interests of the public without favor. No officer should be allowed simply to use his or her discretion without being transparent and accountable.
While the merits of the case were not up for discussion in the recent High Court ruling, Chastanet is adamant that the matter needs to be reheard in a court of law.
Comptroller of Customs says he knew that the DPP was providing advice, but yet you didn't go to the DPP to ask for advice when you were withdrawing the case. There's a letter on file from the Director of Finance requesting that the Comptroller of Customs provides the ownership. You didn't go to the Director of Finance. The former Comptroller of Customs who was leading up the charge, you didn't go to him. You're saying that you sat in a room with senior officers of Customs and you all made the decision, even though evidence is there to show that the car was registered in the name of the state.
Ironically, the highest court available to Chastanet to appeal the decision is the Caribbean Court of Justice. The UWP did not support the island's accession to the CCJ without a referendum.